Got the Bugatti with the 4GT back to back. Alright, y'all, we just pulled up to the car meet. As y'all can see, it's popping right now. Every single person is over there next to the carpet. So we're gonna check it out. First, we're gonna do a little walkthrough. Walk down right here. This is main row, as y'all can see, of course. I go back to back. But you know these rev out to like 10,000 RPMs, 9,000 or something. It's crazy. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Ooh, Skyline. R8.
Hey, bro, you gotta see the bike, dude.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guess so, huh? Because it's the V8 one. And they packed it nice and tight right here. Both sides, of course, of the street. The Lotuses. Ferraris, back to back to back to back.
Definitely out of it.
Lamborghinis. This was like one of the first cars to come in here. This one right here. The McLeasy's got GT 570. 720s back to back right here. People literally everywhere. Black with the white stripe 4GT looking prime right here. Back to back 4GTs actually. Keep it pushing with the Urus. Everyone looking right here for the cars pulling up. Got the M2 right here. C5 Corvette. LC500. Wide body Huracan. Car meet is crazy. You look all the way around. V10 R8 parked right there. Viper parked right here. Ferrari California right here. Literally anywhere you look in this parking lot, there's gonna be some type of car. All the people all the way over there at this IKEA. This is probably one of the craziest meets I've ever been to. I know y'all know this is a GTR, but do y'all know what this is right here? V-Spec. V-Spec. Right hand drive too. Look at that right here. GT3 RS right here. With the McLeasy, the SVZ. I think it's a 06. And then with the Dodge Viper, of course. Holy smokes. This thing is clean.